right, guys, let's take a look at number 15 from your homework. Remember that the step says if one of your equations has a variable that equals something, so like in this case, this y equals something. This equation right here does not have a variable by itself equaling something. So we're going to look at this top equation, and we're going to use this y and put it into this y right here. So I'm going to rewrite this bottom equation, substituting this y and putting it right there. Okay, so I have 3x minus 2 times, because remember, when the y and the 2 are next to each other, that means multiplication. So we're multiplying all of y, which is all of this, by 2. So I'm going to plug this in. 4x squared plus 24 equals 8, negative 8. Okay, so do we see that? This is y, I took this y and put it right here. So now I am going to expand this. The goal is to get x by itself. So I'm going to have 3x minus negative 2 times 4x is negative 8x. Negative 2 times positive 24 is negative 48 equals negative 8. All right? So now I'm going to combine these x's like terms, and I'm going to get positive 3x minus 8x is actually going to be a negative 5x. I'm going to add 48. Well, I'm getting ahead of myself. Now I want to move this 48, this negative 48, over here so that I can get x by itself. So I'm going to add 48, add 48. So my new problem now is negative 5x equals positive 40. Sky. Here's Sky, guys. Sky, say hi. Say hi to everybody. Okay, she doesn't want to say hi. All right, so now I'm going to divide by negative 5. And I get x equals negative 8. So I have x. Remember, the answer to this problem is going to be a point. So my first part of the answer is correct. Is done. I got negative 8. Now I get to take that x and I get to plug it in to one of these equations. It doesn't matter which one, because remember, the answer is the point that they meet at, that they come together at. So it doesn't matter which equation. I always like to choose the equation that's going to give me the easiest. It's just going to be easier to do. So I'm going to pick that top equation, and I'm going to put y equals 4 times negative 8 plus 24. So I took this equation and I plugged this 8 for x. And now I'm going to get something. Let's see. So 4 times negative 8 is going to be a negative 32 plus 24. That's going to give me a negative 8. So my answer is going to be negative 8 minus, or negative 8, comma, negative 8. That's the point. This is my answer.